Karibuni sana. Leo hapa tumetembelewa na livestock production officer wa Awendo sub county. Atajiintroduce mwenyewe. Actually we are so privileged by now Eugene Poultry Farm Limited. Pia tumesema Migori lazima tusonge mbele. Na hii ni farm yetu mpya ya Kuria. So kwa wale wakulima wako Kuria wako different places, I'm sure effective next month tarehe 15 masomo inaanza hapa ya kuku na kila kitu itakuwa hapa. Tutaenda kuwa take through muone kind of preparation we are doing. We are doing preparation on housing. We are improving our structures to accommodate up to 10,000 1-month-old birds. You can introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Apollo Gada, Sub-County Officer, Livestock, Awendo. I've been privileged today to go to Eugene Poultry Farm. I've seen they're doing a good job here, a wonderful job. And in fact, in next 3 months, things will be very much different. Thank you, Mr. Eugene. Welcome. Thank you, and I congratulate for what we are doing here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you. But what I'm going to assure you, I'm assuring you one thing. When it comes to hard work, I believe in hard work. I might be simple, but when it comes to hard work, we are doing good work. I'm sure you have seen the kind of work we have done.
Wonderful work.
Umeangalia boma nimejengea wazazi huko.
Hata boma ya wazazi iko wonderful. Everything is okay.
That boma has made me look an old man. They do say that ukiwa na boma mzuri, wanasema kwa ukiwa na boma mzuri unaheshimiwa. Ukweli have been respected. For me building for my parents such houses up there.
This is wonderful.
I'm sure it was wonderful. So now by the end of the day, Mr. Ogada, what I can tell you, actually tunashukuru the county government of Migori because I can remember Nyanga mentoring me, Nyanga taking me to seminars. Not even seminars, he was taking me to agricultural show. Hiyo ya ACK ya ilikuwa wapi huko? Ile show ya kwanza tulienda. Ilikuwa Luchota. So tulienda hapo Luchota, hatuko tunajua anything, but still now you see now up to now we have done great things. So that one despite so many challenges. But if I'm najua by the end of the day, Migori County, Kuria, utaangalia. Because with the kind of force we are having, I'm sure we are moving. So I'm sure I can take others through and then also you through because hapa hivi hapa umeangalia hapa nimepanda nyasi hapa ni kwa sababu wageni wenye wanaweza kuja they can also relax here and take some soup of chicken through this place here. Yeah, and then now this will be our CEO's office and then this one here it will be our this one is our manager's office. This is our manager's office. You see now they are clearing that one. Ukuna sema karibu kijana. So hapo you can see those ones here in certificate of incorporation and other things. So ukija sasa by the end of the day now when you come now inside here, this one it will be our fixed stores inside here. And then now this one here, this one here now it will be a boardroom. Now a boardroom to mean this way, when I be having visitors, we can have a meeting here. Not necessary to go to pay maybe somewhere we come and relax, but also we can discuss some serious business here. A boardroom is a place where the board of directors or even serious investors sit there and relax. Still we are doing some constructions, you can see. I'm sure you can see the preparation we have done. But kija hapa ndani pia unaweza angalia the kind of preparation we are doing. So now this is the CEO's office. So in this CEO's office nimekueleza vizuri. You know when you are in the CEO's office, inamaanisha hivi sasa it's a good place. It should be habitable.
Wonderful.
Yeah, it should be habitable. So ndio maana hapa tunafaa tuweke hapa screen kubwa hapa ya 55 inches and then inside ya pia hapo kutakuwa na TV and then also hapo ni kitchen Hapa ni kitchen. Unajua kutembea kwa CEO unafaa at least unakula una relax hivyo because now this just our office farm. So now from here now you can see already tunaendelea bado na mambo na construction haijaisha bado. So now ndio sasa tuanze kuinstall sasa viti hapa ndani. Of course hapa hakutakuwa na kiti ya ofisi hapa. Hapana. Ni kiti standard ambayo at least kama umetembelea CEO now you can relax here. Also I'll be having another office outside there. I'm showing you. Now that one will be now an administration office. Sawa, tuendelee. Very good. You can see our structures iko double. Juu na chini sasa. Iko juu na chini. So now we are doing the preparation. You can just come and check. Also, this house it's where I was living here. Kitambo. But now this house I do use it for brooding, Sometimes kwa mingi hapa ndani zimekuwa around 1,000 bucks hapa ndani, but I've disposed them. You know the problem with Eugene Poultry do have, it has a high market demand in all ages of birds, and the capacity it's not withstanding that. And since now we are not now withstanding that, it's why now we are bringing partners on board. So as we bring partners on board, the PPP, public-private partnership. So by the end of the day now, we are believing in one thing, that through your support of the county government of Migori, I'm sure by the end of the day we are going to turn the mountains. Now you can come. Just tuanzie juu ama tuanzie chini. Tuonyeshe wakulima kutoka juu ama chini. Guys, tunaenda juu, lakini mjue kitu moja, hatujatengeneza bado stairs za kupanda. So tunaenda kupanda hizi. We are going to do it. Still we are under construction. Haya Mr. Ogada, acha nipanda alafu panda. Uko na kilo mingi Ogada. Haya,
Nisabuja hii.
Guys, sorry for that interruption. So this is a very big house. You can see. Hapa tuko upper floor. Sasa Mr. Ogada, hapa juu ni joto. Chini ni cool. Now, as an extension officer, ni environment gani mzuri yenye tunaweza weka brooder? Hapo chini penye ni cool ama hapa juu penye ni joto?
Mali kuna joto.
Joto. Yeah. So now hapa juu tutakuwa tunafanya mambo na brooding.
Yeah.
Umeelewa? Hapa juu ni brooding because tunaweka fans za kuzunguka. Hapa juu kama zile za bakery. Zinazunguka kama zinazunguka hapo ndani, zikiongezea mambo na hewa hapo ndani. Umeelewa? So now from there tutakuwa na 6 fans. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This side 6, that side 6. Because this house is very big. So now by the end of the day now, unaweza angalia hapa hivi, so unaona hapa juu ni very strong. Hata unaweza kutembea juu. So now hapa juu sasa hapa tumeanza mambo na preparation. Hapa juu tumeanza preparation, simama tumeweka mchanga. So tunafaa tuongezee tena mchanga nyingine juu wafanye screeding.
Kabisa.
Because kitu mnafaa kujua, hardy floor is the best. I'm sure now Migori County tunatengeneza kitu mzuri. And I'm sure by the end of the day, this farm, after something like I will launch this house effective this week, next week. Tutakuwa tunamalizia mambo na hapa juu na kila kitu kwa nimeshaleta mara mingi sana. Yeah. And then now this other side now it will be my office. Hii hapa sasa. Hii ni CEO's office. Hapa. Uchunge miti hapa. Now this one is my CEO's office. This one here, this side. It's my office now. All records of veterinary department will be here. All records pertaining this inlet of birds and outlet of chicks. All procurement of chicks will be done here. And also here also it will be a CCTV monitoring area. Because as per my extension, nimekwambia nabomoa hizo manyumba zote hapo chini. Nazibomoa zote, naongeza perimeter wall kwenda huko chini na kurudi huko. Ukiangalia huko mtoni huko chini, napiga tofali. Nataka around 100,000 pieces. Already we are at 10,000 by now.
10,000?
Yeah. We are moving ahead. We are doing around 100,000 bricks. I want to face around 4 acres of this farm. From there, you know, Eugene Poultry, kitambo tu kwa tumeamua kufanya hii kazi kulia. Lakini saa hii wanafaa kujua tunafanya kazi. Hakuna mchezo hapa. So now this one will be our office now. When I stay there, I can look at visitors who are coming there. Minus having the CCTV here. Just
The house so strong.
The house is very strong. Okay, the people who have constructed here, they are very professionals, my friend. Now shall you joke? Yeah.
Yes, probably.
Wow. Very good, very good. Sasa kushuka hapo kada ndio shida sasa.
Haitakuwa problem.
Hapo unashuka.
I'm also
if you are strong it's okay.
Ningefanya sports.
Hapo ni sawa. Sasa tumetoka sasa ghorofa sasa ya juu. Tunaanza ghorofa ya chini sasa. Underground. Eugene Poultry Farm Limited, Kuria. Wanyawa wa Kuria mkuja kusoma kuku. Camera person kuja na wewe. Eugene Poultry Farm Limited, Kuria Company branch. So it was just a brooding farm. By now it's going to be a branch because we are going to install very serious, very serious solar system management. Already nimesha place order ya solar. It has costed me around 1.8 million.
1.8
million. Ina shida stima. Hiyo shida stima mbali sana. Because like that office of the CEO you can see, I've invested inside almost 1 million. And it's just a small house. Yeah. So let's take people around waangalie pia hapa. Tunaangalia hapa. So hapa pia tunataka kutengeneza pia garden You know, in a poultry house, the poultry house should be best. Biosecurity measures. Usafi kwa ya hali ya juu. Hapa nyasi inapandwa. Nikipata kijana hajamwagilia maji na kutoa uchafu hapa tunamfuta kazi. Hapa ni mara nataka niweke hapa concrete because niko navuta huko chini kwenda chini hivi. Yeah. Because unajua kwa famu unaangalia mambo na security wise. Yeah. Kama hapa imejikusanya poa. So now nikiongezea kwenda chini sasa, nikuongezea mambo na lighting system and security thing and then also electric fence. Yeah. Let's go on. Same thing to this house also will be converted. Kama hivyo. Kwa kijana wapi? Hii mlango inafunguliwa kuja nje. So now this is the down floor. You can see it's very big. Very big. So now inside here, Mr. Gada, I can tell you that we are doing different batches of chicken. Because unaangalia tuko na petitions. First petition, second petition, third petition, hivyo. So at least we are believing that when a farmer is coming to Eugene Poultry Farm Limited, Kuria branch, they should be able to get what is there, birds of all ages. This house can stock up to 10,000 one month old, but the space is very big. Yeah. Sasa kama ile sehemu yako ile ndio unataka weke ile inaanza kuwekea faranga 500 mpaka 700. How about this one?
Hii itaweka
big. Very big. So now you can just come and show them. The premises are very big, very big. Hapa kuna mchezo na kazi. So now you can see the kind of work we are doing. So hii structure imelala kutoka huko yote imeenda mpaka huko chini yote. Sasa tunaweza kuja hapa hivi. So now Mr. Gada. Unaweza kusema nini kufikia hapo?
I can say you have done a lot.
You have done a lot,
You've done a lot, yeah. That's what I can say. And I encourage you to do more. Yeah.
So the report you can tell other farmers maybe in Migori County, can they visit Kuria?
They should visit
or still Kuria. Migori County we are down?
They should visit Kuria and partner with Eugene so that they can see the benefit of poultry farming. That's all that I can say.
So you can be a millionaire from chicken as per your assessment, how you have assessed me.
As per my assessment, I can be a millionaire from chicken farming.
Wow.
Are you getting?
I'm getting from your assessment.
Yeah. You can.
So the people of Awendo Sub-County, as you are planning the seminar on 27th, you are in full support of it.
I'm really in full support of it.
And farmers will be so happy.
And farmers will be happy.
Yeah.
And I will encourage them to come and visit the farm. Yeah.
Sawa. So hiyo ndio hapo ndio tutafikia kwa leo. Lakini farmers wajue kitu moja ya kuwa a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
Yeah.
I began with that small house there, but now you can see.
Yeah.
From that small house nimeanza, mzazi hataki labda tufanye hii kazi. Umesomea udaktari, baadaye uende hospitali kutibu watu, tena unaanza mambo na farming. So now agribusiness. So by the end of the day, Mr. Gada, we gave the grant for the youths of Awendo Sub-County.
Okay.
And that one was the main reason why I came to see you.
Okay.
The main reason of me looking for you is that we gave a grant of Awendo Sub-County as a whole. We need to give 10 groups of youths, 100 chicks each. Now those groups, they should be distributed in the county, in the sub-county level.
Okay.
At least every location should have one representative youth.
Okay.
One group every location. Every location. If the Ministry of Livestock, Fisheries and let's say agriculture, they will be able to support my foundation in Awendo Sub-County. They can help youths with feeds.
Yeah, that's what we are looking at.
If the director of livestock, Mr. Nyanga, will be able maybe to say that as the ministry in my directorate level, I am able to support the youths of also Awendo Sub-County by giving them feeds. Because Eugene has given them chicks, free chicks, 10 groups, 100 chicks each. That is to mean that by the end of the day, that one is a donation of around 100,000 into the project. So now by then, we are a small company. We are a small kiosk. Since we are a small kiosk, it's why we are not meeting our demand. Yeah, we supply around 17,000 chicks a week. If we supply 17,000 birds a week, that is to mean that we are covering around 38 counties. So now, how do we cap this high demand issue if we don't bring partners on board? Yeah, if we don't train farmers well, So now I'm sure for those who are watching us, by the end of the day, just know one thing. Migori County is a place to be. Migori County is where you can get very serious farmers. I'm sure the way you said after 3 months, this place will be another place. Yeah. There it's only where I could learn. And the vote of thanks, I'm sure you are the one who will give me. If there is.
Okay. There is.
If there is, if there is not, then just assume it.
Yeah, just say, Mr. June, thank you for inviting me to your farm today. I thank you very much for the work you are doing, especially in the Migori County. I purposely came because I'm a representative for Mayanda, an extension officer for Mayanda. And that's why I wanted you to see what you are doing here in Kuria. And I'm very quite thankful for the work you started to do here and you have been doing. So you have done a great, in fact, to the people of Migori County. What I can say, I encourage you just to put more effort, because as you have said, the journey of 1 mile begin with
1,000 miles begin with one step.
One step. So that's how I can encourage you. Just continue to press harder and harder, and you will reach your goal.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And then also to the youths wenye mnasema hakuna job Kenya. Job iko hapa Kenya, bro. Job ni kujiajiri, ujiajiri utatengeneza pesa. Like Ogada nilimchallenge. Gari yenye tumetembelea leo Ogada ni gari kubwa. Ni gari yenye hata kwa barabara ukikaa unasikia uko kwa gari. Na nayo yote tumepata through poultry farming. So I'm sure by the end of the day we are going far. Sasa nataka nikutembea sasa kwa mashamba. Napanda yellow maize. Mingi sana. Niko na around 15 acres.
Okay.
Niko na around 15 acres ya yellow maize na kupeleka kwa hizo plantations. Uende pia uzione, but ujue kitu moja. Kuria, we are coming up. Migori County, we are coming up. And I'm sure we are the flag bearers. Rift Valley wako na kuku chick. Unanielewa vizuri sana? Central Rift wako na kari. Central Kenya wako na Ken chick. Upande ya Rift Valley huko ndani still wako na Isinya. Nyanza tuko na nini? Nyanza tuko na vitina, tuko na kutusiana, tuko na vitu vingine. But by the end of the day now, it's high time we develop a very serious farm that can run Nyanza region. If Nyanza is lacking parent stock, then why don't we come together and do it? Why should we import everything into Migori? Why should we import breads from Nairobi to Nyanza always? We have got eggs here. We have got raw materials here. We can make our own bakery. And I'm sure Eugene Poultry Farm Limited is doing that work. Although small scale in Nairobi. But I'm sure the serious one is coming here. Because I've taken you to the plot up there. There it's where I'm placing a very serious chicken grill. A serious chicken grill will be there. We will have a very, very serious chicken palace there whereby people can eat. Imagine from Sirari up to let's say even Rongo. Hakuna hoteli ya fast moving food. Ukienda lazima uplace order usubirie. Na hapo kwa barabara kuna matajiri wanapita hapo. Wako na watoto. Si wafike Supakuria wasome hivi. Welcome to Eugene Chicken Grill for takeaway. One chips and one even joint. Or even a leg at 100 shillings. Very accommodating. It's a very accommodating and also affordable. So value addition is the one which will take us far. Because we are talking also the government wanashughulika na mambo na value addition, but I'm sure unaelewa mambo ya serikali inaendaga pole pole. Lakini for the private sector, I'm sure the main challenges that we are facing, which I could tell you today, the mega challenges we are facing, there are only five challenges. If you are as an extension officer, you can address them. Maybe you work on them. I'm sure Migori County we can go far. The first one. Farmers are losing so many birds in Migori County. Farmers are losing so many birds because they don't have that knowledge of rearing these chicken birds. And most of them, since they lack that knowledge, disease control is one factor. And the disease control will depend with the kind of birds you are having. If you have the inferior birds, then your productivity, your sustainability, and profitability, it will be of a very big mess.
That's true.
So the best way is to source chicken from a reputable source. In Migori County, we don't have a reputable source. Unless those farmers who source from Eugene Poultry Farm Limited steal the birds, we bring them from far places into Migori. Now it's why we are developing also Migori. Another challenge. The level of inbreeding, it's very high in Migori County. the level of inbreeding, the level of small upcoming farmers, they are doing a lot of inbreeding, which is altering these developmental stages of these birds. Also, apart from that, despite the stunted growth, despite high mortalities due to inbreeding, it also demoralizes farmers. Farmers close their poultry houses. So if you can address that issue, and the only solution is to develop a very serious hatchery that can help spearhead all of these things. And then the third one, market. Some farmers fail to link up with market. Some farmers they can't afford even smartphones. They can't. They are good farmers. They're serious farmers, but they have no media. His business has gone online. I'm a millionaire today because of online. I utilize my smartphone well. Yeah, it's why I'm a millionaire. You are in my WhatsApp group, right? Yeah. I do post there. Today I'm in Samburu. I'm in Maralal. I'm in Migori. I'm in Awendo. I'm in Makueni. The people who are from there. Networking has been embraced. But remember, not all families have the network. So now, the level of, if you can develop a right marketplace that is trusted, that is there long. Actually, you took brokers. Mimi ni broker. I broke those big birds and sell them off. I sell them to tenders. I sell them to the city market. But by the end of the day, what we require, it's Migori County developing a very right policy of marketing. The fourth one, feeds. Feeds in Migori is a very problem thing. Chicken mash now is going at 4,000. Yeah. Almost 4,000. If you're not aware. That is 50 kg? Yeah, 50 kg unga feeds. 3,800, 3,700. Where are we going? Are we going to invest on feeds? So at least the people of Migori, the people of Kuria. Kuria is a place where tunalima sana. Mahindi tuko nayo mingi sana. Why don't we even go now into groups? We produce this. These cereals tunatoa zisiende Nairobi. Mbona zinaenda Nairobi kila siku? Lori zinapaki hapa zinabeba. Mbona wakulima wasipeleke product yao kwa factory na to process our own feeds? We can call it even Migori Millers. Migori County Poultry Millers. It will be able to serve the entire market of Migori. Si kununua chakula ya unga feeds ambayo imetengenezwa na tons mingi sana. Kama tunajua share ya Migori County in this size, it will be good. And the fifth one, which is final, I'm sure hasa hii narudi sasa kwa business people. The mega challenge we are facing. Unaweza pata for example, leo hii tenda imekuja ya kusupply huku county. Unajua hizo huku zinakosa kutolewa Migori County. Zinatolewa other counties. So you are developing the revenue of other counties. Leaving home. Unanielewa kitu nasema? You might get that someone may be senior somewhere anachukua tenda. Na si poultry farmer. And I mean a poultry farmer like me or another person. So far in Migori, I do recognize some farms. Like Nyakwarasana farm. Samora anafanya kazi nzuri huko chini. Nyakwarasana is doing a good job. Ukimwambia ati Samora simamia hii mambo na kusupply kukuza 1 month. Samora can brood those chicks and supply. When it comes to Eugene, I'm the master. Now, how can the master be defeated? So, to me, by the end of the day, if the county government people can develop a good policy that can support the upcoming business people and be able also to do something like an amalgamation for those all chick sellers, at least we have one source. It can be good. If they will say that Eugene, in Migori County, be in charge of the hatchery, I will produce for them, I will supply for them. At a very good price as they sell to other people. I'm sure that one, it will be good. If the county government can see over that thing, I'm sure that one, it will be the best thing to do in the poultry industry, and we will improve in that. Yeah. I'm sure sasa tunaenda hasa kwa plantation zetu huko chini, ni kuonyesha venye zinakuaga, uangalie, and then we can see. Thank you wenye mnaendelea kusoma. Hapa ni Eugene Poultry Farm Limited. We are located in Nairobi, Ruai, also in Kisii, yes also, and then also in Migori, and then soon we are going to Kilifi. So farmers, be updated. Tunashukuru Mungu. Let's go. Twende chini kijana sasa.